Long time ago, a lot of people used to feel that smart people were born with stars. They never had struggles, never had questions to answer. They only attempted questions smartly. But a wise man said, cut open the head of a smart person. And you see a lot of questions, struggles, challenges. So smartness is not really intelligence. Even smart people encounter problems. So I want to talk about why smart people actually fail mathematics in this video. Welcome to Maths World. One of the reasons why smart people fail questions is overconfidence. Overconfidence is just like having charisma without character. Initially, people may like you, due to your charisma, but eventually when they discover your character, they begin to distance and stay clear from you. So that is the same thing as overconfidence. So overconfidence sets you on a pedestal. It gives you this false notion that you know a question. And you go ahead with those wrong methods, those wrong systems which are not actually working. And eventually ending up modeling the whole question or modeling the whole equation. So overconfidence, may lead to you failing even as a smart person. Another reason is poor practice habit. So he who practices never fails, but he who does not practice will definitely fail. So if you practice often and often, you tend to know something better. So that's why it is often said educationally and psychologically, from practice to practice and from practice to intelligent practice. Also, the fear of asking questions. A lot of people feel they will be mocked or laughed at when they ask questions. Particularly, it happens to be a lecture setting or a class where you have a lot of brilliant people with only a few people who do not know that concept. And you may seem or be like kind of the dullest person in that class if you raise up your hand to ask questions in that particular area or aspect. So because of this, a lot of people shy away from asking questions, relevant questions where they ought to ask. Another reason why students fail mathematics is memorizing instead of understanding. Memorization only gives you a one approach. You only know something in one way. But when you understand something, you can replicate or do that thing in so many ways. So when you memorize, you only know one road to a city. But when you understand, you know so many roads leading to that city. It's better to know so many roads leading to a city than to know a particular road leading to a city, because if you end up not knowing the other roads, you may end up being stranded. So that is the same thing. All right. Also, another reason is poor exam preparation. A lot of people start preparing for exams maybe a day to, or 2 days to, or 1 week to. Even preparation for exam from 1 week to the exam is even wrong preparation, because you end up overstressing yourself, overstretching yourself. It's just like solving 30 questions at a stretch instead of solving like five questions every day. Your brain is relaxed and you know that thing better. You understand? So how do smart students who fail mathematics, how can they improve? One of the ways is to overcome overconfidence. Another thing is to practice often. Another thing is to always ask questions. Another thing is to understand and not memorize. Another thing is proper preparation. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.